Welcome to Epic Yarn Gems. This is Lisa, and I'm going to be doing a yarn review for you today. The yarn I'm looking at is from Lion brand. It is their jeans variety. There is 246 yards in this skein. It is 3.5 ounces. The knitting needle recommendation is a 7, which is a 4.5 millimeter, and the crochet hooks is an um, I9 at a 5.5 millimeter. It is a 4 medium weight yarn. It is machine washable and dryable. The color that I'm reviewing for you today is stonewash. The yarn is made in India and is 100% acrylic. In using this yarn, it is very soft. So I think when yarns are softer, they do split a little easier. So as I was doing a project with this, it is a very splitty yarn. So if you become frustrated with that type of yarn and having to be extra careful to make sure you get all the strands, I just want you to know that this yarn has a pretty high split factor. It wasn't so bad that I couldn't use it, but I just wanted everyone to know that. The other things in my reviews is I like to wash them and dry them according to the recommended way to handle this yarn, and then give you some information about that. So to start off, I do take the measurements of the yarn in a little sample that I do and run it through the wash. Here you can see that there is no real shrinkage. I mean, it really held its form. It is still very soft after the wash, but if you're looking at this, it does hold its shape and its size very well. The one thing about it, like I said, it is a 4 medium weight yarn, but it is a thinner 4 medium weight yarn, so just keep that in the back of your mind as you're thinking about using that. The other thing that I like to do is take a look at the fibers before and after the wash to see if there is a big difference, and also to see if there is a big difference in the feel after the wash. You can see here that the fibers are relatively the same. The before the wash had a little more fuzz on it, which maybe is what made some of the softness, and after the wash there weren't quite as many little fuzzies there, but I would say that the softness, which was very soft, was the same before and after the wash. This yarn is available, or where I purchased it was Michael's for $4.99, but I also went out to the Lion brand website and it's listed as $6.99 out there. Not sure why there's the big difference, but for whatever reason it seems like the Lion brand website is always more expensive. Why, I'm not really sure. But when you break that down into the per yard cost, is with the Michaels it is 2 cents per yard, and if you purchase off the website is 2.8 cents per yard. So this is, in my thoughts, a mid price to a mid high priced ranged uh, yarn. It is, like I said, a super soft, so I did really like it. So for the summary, I would use and buy this yarn again. There was minimal to no shrinkage, and it is very splitty, so just keep that in mind. It is reasonably priced, and like I said, I would use this yarn again. I am not affiliated with any yarn companies. I am not paid for any of these reviews. They are truly my thoughts and my opinions, and I just share them with you and take them for what they're worth. As always, I want to thank you for joining me here at Epic Yarn Gems, and peace, love, and happiness to you all. Take care.